Welcome to Scholarship Letters. In the sentence, it started raining heavily when I left the office and walked to the station to catch a train to my house. How many words, each of 7 letters, are there? Now see, there are how many words which are having 7 letters. Now see, first word is here sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. Started. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now see, first is started, that is 7 letter word. Then heavily here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Heavily is also 7 letter word. Okay. Then see 7 letter word is, now see walk. Station. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Station is also 7 letter word. Then next 7 letter word is, station is there. Train, no. 7, no. Letters is there. Is it? No. In this sentence, no. It started raining heavily. Raining is 7 letters. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Raining is also 7 letter word. And therefore there are how many words having 7 letters? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And therefore our answer is 4. Option number 2. Now next question is, makes empty and noise vessel much. Makes empty and noise vessel much. Form a meaningful sentence from the words given above. Make a series of letters at odd places in this sentence. इसका मतलब क्या करना है? First we have to make a meaningful sentence from this sentence. Okay? Words given above. ये वर्ड से क्या करना है आपको? मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बनाना है. Then make a series of letters at odd places. क्या करना है? ऑड प्लेस पे जो लेटर्स है उनका एक सीरीज बनाना है इन दिस सेंटेंस में. Then which is the letter at the fourth place from the left of this series. मीन्स ये जो सीरीज बनेगा उसके फोर्थ प्लेस के लेफ्ट में कौन सा लेटर है ये हमें पहचानना है. सी मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस इज, an empty vessel makes much noise. Then we have to number these from left to right. Okay. For A, I write numbering as 1. Then N 2, E 3, M 4, P 5, T 6, Y 7, V 8, E 9, S 10, this is 11, E 12, L 13, M 14, A 15, K 16, E 17, okay, and this S is 18, M is 19, U is 20, C is 21, H is 22, N is 23, O is 24, I is 25, S is 26, and E is for 20. Okay, this is what numbering. Now see, next is make a series of letters at odd places. Now see, which are the series of letters at. Now see, next step is make a series of letters at odd places in this series. Now see, odd place letters are, first is odd place is A, that is 1. 1 means for odd place letter is A. Okay, I write here A. A is odd place letter. Then 3 means E. E is also odd. Then P. P means 5. P is also odd place. Then 7. T Y. Y means 7. That is also odd place. Then 9 means E. Again E is there. Odd place. Then 12, 11. S. 12, 13. L. Okay. Then 14, 15. A. Then 16, 17. That is E is odd place. odd numbers. Okay, M is also odd place letter. Then 21, that is C is also odd place. 23, that is N is also odd place. 25, that is I is also odd place. Then 26, 27, that is E is also odd place letter. These are the letters which are at odd places. This is the series, okay, of letters at the odd place. Means इसके odd place पे जो लेटर है उसका हमने क्या बनाया, सीरीज बनाया. Odd place means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25 and 27. Now which is the letter at the fourth place from the left? Left से fourth place में देखो 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is Y. That is option number 4, Y. Okay. Now see question number 3rd. Due to heavy rain, the belly of river swelled beyond its limit. I closed the mouth of the bottle with a cord. He broke the eye of coconut and took out the water inside it. Speak carefully. The walls also have ears. In which of the above sentence the body organ plays its own role? See, in this sentence, I closed the mouth of bottle. This is not bottle body organ. Then he broke the eye of coconut. Coconut is not a body organ. Now fourth sentence, speak carefully. Speak means from your mouth. The words also have ears. That means answer is which? Fourth sentence. Okay. Fourth sentence means option choice is fourth one. Okay. The next is, how many words rhyming as a word rail occur in the list given below? म्हणजे रेल बरोबर रेल के साथ रैम करने वाला वर्ड्स कौन कौन सा है, ये हमें क्या करना है, बताना है. ओके. नाउ रेल, then see, is it whale? Yes, whale. Then male, see male, L is there, I-L is there. Okay, male. Then tail. Okay. Then file, no. Seal, no. Shall, no. Whale, yes. See a rail, whale. Okay. Then pole, no. Horn, no. Bill, no. Then sail is also there. That means how many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and there are 5 words, and hence your answer is option choice second. Okay. The next question is, Dushyanta's restless mind was settled by watching the magical reflection of charming colorful rainbow in the bluish water. Okay. In the given sentence, by how much is the number of adjectives greater than or lesser than the number of nouns? First we have to see how many nouns are present in this sentence. Okay. First noun is Dushyanta. This is the first noun. Okay. Then mind is also noun. Then reflection is also one kind of noun. Then rainbow. Rainbow is also noun. Okay. Then water is also noun. That means there are how many nouns? 5 nouns. Nouns are 5. Okay. Then adjective. Now see how many adjectives are there. Now first adjective is, see, restless is first adjective. Then magical is second adjective. Then charming, to charm, charming is third adjective. Then colorful is also adjective. Then bluish is also adjective. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 adjectives are there. That means both the numbers are same. And that is option number 1, numbers equal. Okay. Then next question is, count your garden by flowers. Count your garden by the flowers never by the leaves that falls. Which of the following options is related to the word leaves in the given line? Okay, leaves. leaves कशापासून येतात? leaves कशाला असतात? तर ट्रीला असतात. ओके, that means tree is your answer. The next question is, form a meaningful word from the letters L, P, O, C, M, Y, I and select the middle letter of this word. What is the meaningful word? Suppose I write first O, okay, O, then I write L, Y, okay, O, L, Y, then M, suppose I write here M, O, L, I, M, P, I, C. Olympic. See, Olympic is it meaningful word? Yes, Olympic is a meaningful word. Now see middle letter. Left side 3 letter, right side 3 letter, and middle letter is M. And therefore your option choice is answer number 2 is your correct answer. Okay. The word to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. In the above lines, how many times do the letters 1 and 1 and I and O, I and O occur respectively? Occur respectively. Respectively means एकामागोमाग एक. बरोबर. आता I बघूया. I कुठे? I and O. Here the word, बघा word मध्ये the word to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. In the above lines, how many times do the letters L and O occur respectively? Now L and O. Now see here in the word. See their word O and L. Okay. Word. Then small letter L is there. Then pale blue. Then shell. This is L. Okay, here it is L, then L, and L. Now see L how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I write here L how many times? 7 times. L 7 times. Okay. Then letter O how many times? Now see here letter O word, that is this is 1, then this is 2, then this is 3, then this is 4. Okay, that means 4 times. O letter comes 4 times. O is comes 4 times. Okay, then therefore answer choice is 7 times and 4 times. 7 times 4 times, that is option number 3 is your correct answer. Okay. In the word Amritsar, which letter occur at the places that correspond to the prime numbers? Now in the word Amritsar, now I see number this letter. Suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Our question is, which letter occurs at the places that correspond to prime numbers? Now see 2 is a prime number, letter is M. 3 is a prime number, letter is R. Then 5 is a prime number, letter is T. Then 7 is a prime number, letter is A. Okay, that is MRTA. Option number 4 is your correct answer. Inside our garden, we have made a nice and pretty little pool. In this line, how many words made of 4 letters and 6 letters respectively do occur? Now, how many words made of 4 letters and 6 letters? Okay. Now, words, they have 4 letters. Okay, I write here first 4 letters. Now, see 4 letter words are, first one is here have, that is 4 letter. Then made is also 4 letter. Then nice is also 4 letter. Then pool is also 4 letter word, P-O-O-L. Okay, and no one is there. That is, how many 4 letter words are there? 4 words. Okay, and words having 6 letters. I write here 6 letters. 6 letters words. Okay, now see 6 letter words are, first one is, suppose, first one is inside. See, inside is 6 letter word. Then garden is also, this garden is also 6 letter word. Then Preeti is also 6 letter word. Then little is also 6 letter word. Now see, 6 letter words are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Both the words are equal, that is 4 and 4, and therefore your answer is option number 3. Now next one is, in the word systematic, how many times do consonants occur? Okay, now in systematic, see consonants occurs how many times? See, first consonant is S. S is consonant. Okay, then Y is also consonant. Again S is also consonant. Then T is also consonant. But E is not constant consonant, because A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Then M is also consonant. Okay, again T is also consonant. Then C is also consonant. Okay, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is option number 1 is your correct answer. The hungry tiger soon got at its prey. I cannot get through the examination this year. Wash the clothes properly to get out its stains. It was a nice get together of the old classmates. In which of the following options the correct meaning of the group of words does not appear? Now see, in sentence A, okay, the group of words got at, okay, got at. Then in the sentence second, get through. Sentence 3, get out, okay, get out. Are these 3 are idioms. Okay, it means that it is a gathering of celebration. Okay, gathering of celebration, and therefore the correct meaning of the group of words does not appear. It was a nice get together of old classmates. This means gathering for celebration together. That means it indicates gathering for celebration, and therefore your answer is get together for photograph, that is option number 1. Okay, so next question is, did, goes, was, has, held, turn, she, held, run, own, have, send. Among the words given above, how many words of 3 letters and 4 letters respectively represent the present tense? Now see, very easy. The words, each of the 3 letters containing the present tense. Now see, present tense means has. Here has is the word indicating present tense. Then see is the word indicating present tense, has, see, and own is past tense. No, run. Run is also present tense. That means how many words are in present tense? 3 words. Okay, 3 words are in present tense. Now the words for 4 letters. Okay, present tense 4 letter words किती आहेत बघूया आपण. 4 letter words are, first one is goes. Goes indicates present tense. Then term indicates present tense. Then have indicates present tense. Then send indicates also present tense. That means 4 words are there. Okay, how many words of 3 letters and 4 letters respectively? 3 letters words are 3 and 4 letters words are 4. That is 3 and 4. Option number 4 is your correct answer. Earn, learn, 9, under, find, rent, funny, cunning. Which letters do occur 12 times and 5 times respectively in the group of words given above? Okay, now see, very easy. Earn, learn, here earn, learn, then 9, okay, then under, then find, then rent, funny and cunning. Which letter do occur 12 times? Now see, a letters occur 12 times is, here first I take this n. See, n occur 1 time, n occur 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, then 5 times, then 6 times, then 7 8 times, then 9 10 times. Okay, 11, again n is here. See, this is 12. That means 12 times which letter occur? N occurs 12 times. Okay, and which letter occur? E occurs how many times? E is here, E, 1 time E, then 2 time E, then 3 time E, then E is 4 times E, 4 time, okay, 4 time E. Then where is E? Cunning, E here, 5 times E, see here 5 times, E occurs 5 times, means letter E occurs 5 times and N occurs 12 times. That is option number N and E. Option number 4 is your answer. Okay, the next question is, as soon as we got their attention, they stopped the car, came out and walked towards us. What is the difference of letters between the pronouns having the highest and least number of letters? Now first we have to take which are the pronouns. Now first pronoun is, here pronoun means नाम के बदले में आता है वो pronoun, okay, that is we. Then there is also pronoun, okay, then they is also pronoun, then us, that is also pronoun. How many pronouns are there? The pronoun having highest number of letters. Now see, in this 4 there is the highest number of letters, that is 5 letters. How many letters? 5 letters. There में कितना letter है? 5 letters है, highest number of letters there. And least number of letters, least number of letters किसमें? We and us, okay, we and us. This is we, 2 number letter, us 2 number letter, that is 2 letters. Okay, we and us, how many letters? 2 letters. That means we have to find out difference. What is the difference? Difference means 5 minus 2 is equals to how much? Difference is 3. That is option number 3 is your correct answer. And this ends part 1 of IT unit 1 comprehension. Okay.